Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys on how you can connect your proxy to an app to start working on it. Like after buying your proxy or VPN from websites such as IPcook, Geonix and other websites in which you can buy your cheap residential proxy or data center, anyone that you want to use for it. I'll show you an app in which you can use to connect it and start using it. So guys, I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below of this video. And also, I'm going to be showing you the app, so let's go into it today. So I'll just go back to my mind you, the name of the app is Super Proxy. You understand? Super Proxy. So this is what I'm using. This is Super Proxy. So I'll just go over to the Play Store. For those that are using Android, go over to Play Store to download it. Then for those that are using Apple Store, for those that are using iPhone, go over to your Apple Store to download it. It's as simple as that. So guys, just click on the search button. Now go over to the search bar. Now type in Super Proxy. Yeah, Super Proxy. So once you type it in, you can see I've already installed it. So I will only update it now. Let's just update it. So it's updating. So once you click on Super Proxy, this icon, and this is the icon of Super Proxy. These two arrows facing right, the other one facing left, that is the app. So you just install it and download it. So I've updated mine. I've already installed it before, but it requests for an update, so I just updated it. Yeah, so once it's done installing, I'll go over to the app to show you how you can connect your proxy. Once after, you must have bought the proxy details such as the country, the port, the password, the username, the server and everything. So I'll just click on open now. Once you click on open, it will open. Yeah, so once you open the app, like you won't see any of these three name here. You won't, like, here will be blank. So what you only see here is buy proxy or add proxy. So what you simply need to do, once you must have bought the proxy details from any site at all, just like Geonix or IPcook or Proxy Seller, these are the ones that I recommend you to buy from them. So once you must have bought the proxy and they send you the details, just simply copy it somewhere or go over to the site to copy it and paste it in your notepad or anything. So once you must have done that, just come over to this Super Proxy, just click on add proxy. Yeah, you can see the place that said profile name. So this is the profile name. You can add any name here. You can add your name, you can add the name of the site or the name of the survey site or anything that you want to be doing. So let's say you are doing survey on top survey or any survey site that are doing, just add it. Or whether it's UK proxy or US proxy, just add it. Even your name, you can add your name. So I'll just quickly go on. Let me use US, because this US proxy. I think this US. Let me just say US survey. Yeah, it's for US survey. Yeah. So this US survey. Now go to protocol. If you go to protocol, you see HTTP. You see HTTP plus TLS. You see SOCKS 5. You see SOCKS 5 plus TLS. So I'm making use of SOCKS 5. It's very good. Yeah, you can make use of HTTP, but you know, like, I make use of SOCKS 5 because it serves me better. So next one, now you click on service. You can see server. So what you need to do is just go over to that app or go over to that site in which you bought the proxy details, in which they have sent you the details from. Just go and copy it. So man, I've already copied mine in my notepad. So this is my notepad. I'll just click on this is the server. I got it from IPcook. So you can go over to ipcook.com to get your own proxy. So I'll quickly copy it. Once I copy it, I will minimize, go over to the SOCKS proxy. Now I will add it now. So once you click on paste, it will paste. So you see, wait, okay, it have marked good. So once you add any of the details here, once you copy and paste any of the details and it shows bad, okay, let me just add this one now. let's just say I added this. Now you can see this specified number is out of the valid lane. Okay, let me just be like 4. So let's see. You can see now this, but if it's more than, it won't, like you can see this specific port is out of the valid range. You can see. So if you change the number and write it again, it will be the same. Yeah, so what you need to do is, you can see connection to the specified port was refused because it was not correct. You understand? So what you need to do, just clean everything here, go over to the port. You can see, so this is the port, this 32345, that is the port. So just click on copy. Once you copy it, you minimize. Now go over to the Super Proxy app. Now click on it and paste it there. Yeah, so you can see it's marked good. So if you miss any of the letters, it will mark bad. So once you see this good, that means you are getting it correct. Now you come to this authentication method. Now click on this arrow that is facing down, click on it. You can see username and password. Click on username and password. Once you click on it, you can see now it will bring out an interface whereby you need to put your username and your password. Just click on this username. So once you click on username, now also minimize, go over to that place that you copy it off on the site in which you buy it. So this is the username I'm using. So I'll just click on copy. I'll minimize again, go back to the app and now paste it there. So once I paste it, you can see it will also mark good because it's correct. Yeah, so let me put in my password. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be pausing the video to input my password. Once I'm done, I will continue the video. Yeah, so I've put in my password. Now it shows correctly. So what you need to do, you just go over to this DNS resolution. Now click on it. Now you can see the proxy, you can see the Cloudflare DNS, Google DNS, custom DNS. So we can just leave it at proxy or Google DNS. So I'll leave mine at proxy. So you can see every details in which we copied and pasted here are correct. So if you find anyone that is not correct, simply go and cross check and know where you make the mistake from. So once you must have done, now go over to this arrow at your top right. Let me mark it at your top right. Yeah, at your top right here, this icon here. Now we're going to click it on save. Now click on save. Everything I've saved correctly. So you can see what you need to do now. You just click on start. Once you click on start, the proxy will start counting. You can see it's now counting from 0, 0, 5, 6, 7, just like that. It's not like it means that the proxy is now active. And if I scroll down, you can see that the VPN is already showing up. So that is it. So once it's on, so to check whether this proxy is correctly, because I tell you that this proxy details is under US, you understand? So to check whether the proxy is originally from US, now once the proxy is on, now go over to your Chrome browser. So once you are on your Chrome browser, now just search on, okay, now search on IP score. Yeah, this one, IP score. Anyone that want to check, like, let me go with this, check your IP address in system, that is ipscore.com, or you can search on war.net. anyone that serves you better. Now, so you can see my IP address has totally changed from my current location to United States. You can see I told you that this proxy is from United States. You can see United States, Alabama, Anniston. So you can see everything is clear. Both the zip code, okay, see the zip code here, see the city, see the country, see the ISP, everything is correct. So for now, right now, my current location now is now in US. It's no longer in my current location in Nigeria. Now you see on US. So let's just say I mistakenly off the proxy. Once I off the proxy now, I will go over to that Chrome browser. Then I will refresh to check whether I'm still on US. You can see it have changed to my current location, which is Nigeria. It have changed to my current location, which is Nigeria. So once I turn it on again, once I turn it on, because this Super Proxy makes it simple for you to use. I will just refresh to check whether I'm connected to US now. So once it's finished refreshing, you can see I'll be connected back to US. So watch closely to see the magic now. So okay, it's loading to check. Can see I'm now in US state. So guys, this is how to connect your proxy with Super Proxy app, because you can use Super Proxy, you can use Stones app, but the one that serves better and make it clear for you is Super Proxy. So guys, I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below and tell me your thought about this video. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye.